Good morning, beauties. Today is Thursday, so I've been trying to vlog everything that I'm eating. Just scratch that. I have not been vlogging everything that I've been eating. I have been trying to vlog what I eat in a day. So it's morning, it's 8:22 right now. I'm at work. Nobody's here right now, so that's why I'm able to vlog. But I just wanted to show you real quick what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. And I'm just eating real quick at my desk. And I brought this from home, so let me just show you. So I've got half of an Asiago cheese bagel and a boiled egg. I know I'm not supposed to be eating bread, but I purchased these bagels over the weekend and I didn't want them to go bad. And this is the first time this week that I've had a bagel for breakfast, and I figured just half of one wasn't so bad. And then the cream cheese only has 80 calories for 2 tablespoons, so I might have that or less on my bagel right now. So this is what I'm eating for breakfast. I usually try to eat a salad for lunch. They give us at work they give us a food allowance. So we go grocery shopping and buy what we want to eat here. So we eat pretty good here. Most of it is just like salad and, smoothies and meats and stuff like that. But I heard something this morning on YouTube. I was watching a girl that I watch that does vlogs, and she's really healthy, like into working out and eating healthy and stuff like that. And she said that she heard we have worms in our stomach from eating meat, and that just grossed me out. I feel like I've heard that before somewhere else, but I really want to try to go like vegetarian because that is so disgusting. Ugh, I'm disgusted. I don't know if you can see Shine Cycle behind me, but I just got done with my workout. Please excuse how I'm looking. I am so exhausted. Today's workout was so amazing. I have started going to a spin class. This is my 3rd week doing it, and I absolutely love it. Oops, sorry. Anyways, this is my 3rd week doing it, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna tell you guys more about it, but I need to go home and take a shower right now. We got our HelloFresh meal in the mail. Paris is unboxing it. Wait, this is important. Welcome to America's #1 meal kit. Open that up. This is what we got. This is our menu. And it shows us stuff? Yeah. So we got, let me see that. Tangy tropical chicken. And we also got Thai coconut curry chicken. Bless you. Sounds good.
What's the important stuff?
Hold it up, let me see.
We got another one.
Nice. Hey guys, so we are so excited because we got our HelloFresh meals delivered on Friday. Today is Valentine's Day, so we are each other's Valentines. So we're about to cook our Valentine's dinner, and me and Paris have been on a health journey starting this week, and that's what I'm showing you in this vlog. So one of those ways to help us stay healthy, to have healthy meals, because I am a full-time working mom, I don't always have time to like meal prep, or I don't have time to, I'm really just not a good grocery shopper. I tell everybody that, like, I would rather pay somebody to grocery shop for me than for me to do it. So what better way than with HelloFresh? So we signed up, we got our first 2 meals for free. So this is on HelloFresh today. I just want to say thank you. This video is not sponsored, but tonight we're going to be making Thai coconut curry chicken. And my little sous chef here, Paris, you want to say anything?
No.
She's going to be helping me, so just watch us prepare this meal. So HelloFresh sends you everything that you need to make your meal. So we've got our chicken, and then we've got all of our fresh ingredients in here, and they labeled it so you know which meal you're making. So that's on here.
Yeah, this smells weird.
So Paris has got the water for our rice. I'm just gonna pour it in this bowl, or in that pot there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on so we can get that to a boil. So these are the ingredients. Here's the directions. I think it only takes like 31 minutes maybe to cook everything, but these are the directions. Look how fresh, like, I don't even know what these are. Like, that is so cool that they send like fresh ingredients for the food.
Small little green, are these green peppers?
I think so, or chiles or something. So we can put this rice in there with some salt.
Or just like open the bag and put it.
Yeah, you could probably cut it. And then you just want to stir it.
I caught stirring.
I know, I was getting you a fork. So stir that up real good, and then it just said a pinch of salt, so I'm just going to use some kosher salt. All right, now we're going to get started. What is the next step here? It says, while the rice cooks, wash and dry all the produce, core, de-seed and dice the bell peppers into 1-inch pieces. Zest and quarter the lime, mince cilantro thinly, and cilantro diced. She's diced up the chile.
There's so
We've
many
diced up the peppers. Our
So you gotta put it back on.
and then I've got my oil in a pan going over here. I'm just gonna let this get hot, and then we're gonna add the peppers. Please excuse this mess, okay?
Wait, show them all the seeds.
Paris wants me to show y'all the seeds. Yeah, that's what makes it hot. Spicy.
So, what do you...
Oh,
I got it.
Alright, so I've added the peppers to the skillet. It says just to let them cook for a little bit. And then it says add a pinch of salt. So I've got my kosher salt. A little pinch. Rice is looking good over here.
And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest. Where the ladies got asses and la sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best. Where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe. In small towns that I don't even know. No, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby.
Now don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. It's still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie. And for them fake boobies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get
Alrighty, so here is our finished product. I think it looks pretty good. This is what the picture looks like. Of course, the picture looks better. I put mine on top of my rice just because I like that, and I like to use some of the gravy on top of the rice. This is Paris's, so we're about to try this and tell you guys. So we're about to try it. Like it? If she likes it, you know it's good because she's a picky eater. It's really good, so sorry, I hate to chew and talk, but I just want to say thank you so much, HelloFresh, for making these quick, easy meals that are healthy. And I wanted to tell you guys, you can also select like what kind of meal you want. They even have stuff for people who are vegetarians or pescatarians. So go try out HelloFresh and tell them to sponsor your girl.